guys, welcome back to my channel One's Lifestyle. So today we are going to go on a road trip. We in the sense you and I. We are going to go on a road trip to Mussoorie, which is also known as the Queen of Hills. So let's go. So what are we going to cover in this? Batta Falls. Then we are going to go to Company Garden, the Lyle Hills, and Mall Road. There are a few in the between, like which is Mussoorie Jheel, that is Mussoorie Lake, and only Mussoorie Lake. So we'll see if we are going there, but because that is an artificial lake, so I am in two minds, should we go there or no. If we go there, obviously you all will see it, and if we don't go, so you all will know about it. So come, let's go.
हाँ जी मैम, यहाँ पर 1 रुपये भी चढ़ता
नहीं चढ़ते हैं,
नहीं चढ़ता।
क्यों?
यहाँ की मानता है बस। वो कहते हैं कि भगवान तुम्हें पैसे नहीं मांगता आपसे, आपको पैसे देगा वो, उसकी पूजा करो बोलना। पैसे नहीं मांगता भगवान कि मुझे पैसे दो।
So guys, we are at Batta Waterfalls and you have to take a ticket like that, which will cost around 500 for 2 people. So now we have to go by the ropeway, which is right behind me. So come, I'll take you along for the ropeway. Also, if you all want to have some refreshments over here, there is a ropeway restaurant which serves dosa, idli that I can see, and you can have it over here. There's a sitting arrangement for the same. And from here we will be boarding the ropeway, but just look at the views. This place is just a beauty for its views. So these are the ropeways carriers which are come. So I think we'll be in the next round. On the side Hi guys, so now we are at Batta Waterfall Bridge, which is this, and they will take you down to the waterfall. The cost of the ticket is like 500 for 2 people, and it gets you from top to down, and this is a view what you get from the downtown. So I have enjoyed the views. Now let's see what else is there this side. Come. Once you get off from here, they will drop you over here, and then here there is some travelers cafe, and there is also some activities like you can remove a photo with Spider-Man over there, or even Bugs Bunny over here. This is a travelers cafe where the menu is put out for the day. I think that's how it works. So I think this is an adventure park, like where there is different adventures to be done. See what is there here. Okay, there's also a boating, guys, if you're interested in boating. And there are fishes in this water. This is the surrounding area of Bata waterfalls. Ropeway cycling as well here. So there are a lot of activities, guys, over here if you all are interested in doing. There's also rain dance, but I'll show you all. There's rain dance over there. So we'll head back to the next destination in Mussoorie. So let's go. Guys, now we are at Company Gardens, which is a British era time garden, and the entry for this is 50 rupees per head. So we are two of us, so it's 100 rupees, and plus there's a parking charge which you have to pay at the entrance over there. Come, let's explore this garden. So here we are at Company Garden. As you can see, it's a very beautiful garden. There is place to sit as well. Also there are few rides over here which you all can avail. There's a giant wheel and also another ride over there. Also there are some food stalls. Also here, guys, if you all want, you can wear a costume and remove photographs for remembrance or your memories over here. Just look at how they are tending to the garden. It's the hard work of these people that gets the garden its beauty. These people are sitting here to remove nice photographs of our memories of yours. If you all want, you can have memories of your pictures from here. Also a few stalls over there. So there's a waterfall, so let's go check that out. They have used tires, guys, to make this elephant. It's like best out of waste. Look at the beautiful view. And it's quite sunny today in Mussoorie, so we are lucky that it's not raining. And here is the waterfall, guys. You can just sit and relax for near this waterfall. So here there is a garden. All saplings are there. I think they grow it over here. Very beautiful garden. Also, guys, on the way to the garden there are some beautiful shops over here selling handicraft items. I got 2 items which I'll show you all once I get back to the room. So there are some beautiful bags over here, all are handmade. Here also there are some nice shawls and some nice dress pieces. It is Kashmiri handloom art. Here there is some games. If you are interested in some shooting games, you have it here as well. So I got something from the first shop, which is Shri Krishna Gifts. So I will show you all later what I got. So it's the exit to the garden. So let's go. And now we'll go to our next destination. So guys, now we are at Dalai Hills, which is also, there's a Buddha temple over here. This is the school for Tibetans. Just look at the beautiful artwork which is done on the wall. And we have to go this way for the Dalai Hills, so let's go. So this is the short trek which we have to go up towards the hills. Can you all see that entrance over there? It's such a beautiful entrance. Look at the view, guys. There's a cafe there, Anantana, and that's the Buddhist temple over there. So there's a small trek which you have to do to go towards the hills. The views are beautiful. Just look at it, guys. It's quite a trek, but it is worth it. Just look at it. We have reached the Dalai Hills. Just a few steps. The view is breathtaking, guys. Just look at the view. The camera is not doing justice to it, guys. And there are these flags over here. So guys, when you come down from Dalai Hills, there are a few stalls over here selling bel puri, sweet corn, nimbu soda, orange juice. So we had some nice lemon water over here, which is refreshing. Hi guys, so now we are at Mall Road in Mussoorie, and as you can see behind me is a Mall Road. Even that side is a Mall Road, and this is a beautiful views over here. So come, let's go on Mall Road and see what we can shop from here. So we are roaming at Mall Road. There are different clothes shops, bag shops, beautiful places to just stand and enjoy the views of Mussoorie. So guys, there's a lot to explore on Mall Road. Front, so there is a small stalls. Here also there are stalls over here. The view. It's like you're roaming with a view. Just look at the houses on the mountains. Hey, look at those monkeys sitting on the cars. Just look at them. They are having another enjoyment in life. So guys, now that we are back from our trip and I am come to the room pack again, I will show you all that we purchased during the whole day, because I couldn't show you all over there because there was a lot of rush. Secondly, I had to cover a few spots, so that's the reason we were rushing over there. So now that I've come back and had my tea, now I will show you what we have got. So starting with first, we went to first Batta Falls, and there was nothing much to purchase from there. As you all see, there was just an adventure park and all of that, so there was nothing to purchase. But from the second place, that is the Company's Garden, I did purchase I think 2 items. I'll show it to you all. So the first thing which I purchased from Company Garden, which are shops I had showed you all over there, is this cute purse. It's really cute. The flower on it looks really cute, and it has like 1 pouch. So this I have not purchased for myself. This I have purchased from my cousin, which I'll be giving it to her. And the second item which I purchased is this cute bag. Just look at it. It has 2 compartments. One is this big compartment here, and another compartment over here which I can just store some items, and it is made full of cloth, which is a really good thing, and I love this kind of bags. So it's like one of the many mini bags that I own. There were even some jute bags which I seen, but they were not very sturdy, so I did not plan to purchase it. Then then we went to Dalai Hills. There though I didn't have anything. We just had some snacks, you can say, like bhel puri and all, which I did not vlog because it was my first time vlogging like that in the open, and it was really awkward for me as well. So I hope you'll understand that. Then we went to Mall Road. For Mall Road I did purchase a few magnets. So starting with this one. This is an I Love Mussoorie magnet, if you can see. So it has all the things to do with Mussoorie, like the hills, the Kempty Falls, the cable car, and the hill view, the beautiful hills that you can see from every nook and corner of Dehradun. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is of the cable car only alone, which my mom liked very much. I do not know why, but she liked it, and this retails for around 100 rupees each. So these two magnets were for 100 rupees, and then we got a bottle opener kind of a magnet which says I Love Mussoorie. So this is how it looks. It has a bottle opener also. My mom liked this also. So this retails for 80 rupees. So we purchased these three magnets from there. So there was a lot of warm wear, like your sweaters, your jacket, warm jackets, then mufflers, pretty mufflers, and I think there were silken shawls, but there were shawls also over there. But as you all know, in Goa it's not so cold, so there was no point of me buying all those stuff from her, so I did not purchase anything over there, and there was nothing much on Mall Road to do, so we just got back. Okay, now there's a very big purchase done by my mom, which I will show you guys. Okay, for that I'll just get the tripod, set it again. So this is a purchase made by my mom, which is carpet. She brought this really pretty carpet, guys. Just look at it. One is in red and white, and another one is in brown. These are really good quality carpet. So after that we went to Uttarakhand Craft Cottage Industry. So this is the card that I got, and if you all want, I will be putting this details in my description box. You'll please comment and let me know if you all want to know. The people even courier it to your place, and they will send you a catalog to just choose your items or like anything. There is beautiful stuff over there made of silk. There was this kada which had which is made of 5 metals, and it does not, the color doesn't go and nothing happens, but it was not suiting my hand, so I did not purchase it. Neither it was suiting my mom's hand, so she also didn't want to purchase it. And everything is reasonable rates. There is nothing like very expensive. Then we have those soothing calming bowls were there. Then cute dolls were there, but I didn't want to purchase those, so I purchased one item from there which I really liked. I'll just show you all. So it is this bracelet. So I purchased this beautiful bracelet made of silver. He told me this also is made of those 5 metals, and as you can see, it has small elephants on it. Isn't it looking cute, guys? It's made full of elephants, and it's quite heavy in weight. It is not the lightweight ones. This is really good quality, and it retails for 250 rupees, which is very reasonable, obviously, for a good quality bracelet. And he told me that nothing happens even if you use it in water or anything, you can use it. There were other animals available like owl, fish, moon, and turtle. And from there we returned back home with the traffic. There was a lot of there was then landslide which happened in Mussoorie a few days ago. If you all have read the news and all. So because of it, there was a traffic, and we had to wait for nearly 45 minutes because they're leaving one side of the road traffic and then the other side. So that is the only thing that is happening right now there. So guys, with this we come to an end to our vlog. I hope you all have enjoyed the vlog and enjoyed the Mussoorie tour with me. I feel Mussoorie is a little bit commercialized right now than what it was before, but nevertheless everything has to happen for the business purpose of everything. So I hope you all enjoyed the vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel of mine, and also hit on the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video. Also don't forget to like the video and share it with your family and friends so that everybody knows about the current scenario in Mussoorie and the neighboring areas and what they can see. Because I have heard only Kempty Falls are very famous in Mussoorie, but even the Banta Falls I have never heard about. So it was like a new thing, discovery for me as well. So please share it with everybody, whoever is coming to Mussoorie or something. And also please in touch now because there are a lot of videos coming out now. There'll be a lot of new content coming on this channel. So please do connect on this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.